Today we are headed to Alo to take a look at the doubles only collection. Now this includes the doubles only bra tank, which I tried on in a white color as well as the seashell blue color, the doubles only skirt in black, and the cropped doubles only full zip jacket in both seashell blue and in black. Now, as with a lot of Alo collections, I am starting to realize that the in-store size availability is a little sparse. For reference, I usually wear a size small in the airlift legging because I like them not to be super tight. I can fit the extra small, but I prefer the more breathable approach. And typically an extra small or a small in the bras, tanks, and non-oversized jackets. In this collection, I was able to try on the tank in both an extra small and a small. The extra small I tried in the blue and the small I tried in the white, so be sure to take a look at those size differences. I tried the skirt on in an extra small, which is my typical size for the skirt, and I tried the jackets on in a extra small in the black and a small in the blue due to availability. Now overall, I thought the most comfortable pieces were the small top, the extra small skirt, and the extra small jacket, and that's probably what I would go for given any size options. Now I did think the extra small top also fit, but it just depends on your preference. Now, also due to availability, I couldn't find all of the pieces in all of the colors, so I tried the white top with the black skirt, which I thought was a total vibe, and I also popped the black jacket atop of this, and again, I just really liked it. I did not try the blue jacket with the white top and the black skirt because I felt like that would be a little bit too far away from the whole monochrome aesthetic, but I do think that this black and white pairing goes really well. I think you could also do the white jacket, white skirt, and black top, or any type of combination that includes black and white. Now I also tried on the blue tank with the black skirt, mainly because I didn't have the option to try on the blue skirt, but I do think that, if you are going to pick up just a few pieces from the collection, you can elongate the collection if you pick up a few tops. Now, as I mentioned, I tried on the blue jacket in a size small, and as you can see here, it is oversized. I don't think it's too terribly noticeable given that it is a slouchy look, but the arms specifically were really long. Now again, if you do like that more cozy feel, maybe this is the size for you. Now of course, if you do have any other takeaways or perspectives on this collection, please do leave me a comment in the comment section below. I love to hear from you. As always, everything tried on will be linked in the description below. And finally, 99% of our viewers are not subscribed, but it really does help our channel, so we'd love it if you would subscribe.